In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix crossplay on Rainbow Six Siege PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you some methods that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to crossplay on Rainbow Six Siege. Now, I am recording this video on my PC, but every single thing that I say is going to apply for PlayStation 5. I'm only recording it on PC because it is easier for me to do so. So first, I recommend that you go over to the settings inside of the game itself, and under the general category, you will be able to find and disable or enable crossplay matchmaking. First, check to see if this was off. If this was set to off, all that you would have to do is enable it. Now, if this was already enabled, I actually recommend that you turn it off and you select apply. This will restart the game briefly, and once this is done, you can go ahead and enable it back up again. Sometimes refreshing the crossplay setting will fix any issues that you might have attributed to crossplay. Something else that I want to make very clear is that during the time that I'm recording this video, it is not possible for you to crossplay between PlayStation 5 and PC. This is going to be introduced in a later update. As it stands today, you can only crossplay between PlayStation and Xbox. So after you turn it off, just go ahead and enable it back up again. See if it works now. To test this, all that you have to do is go over to the current party that you have, so open the social tab or choose your name over here at the top, and you will be able to select the option to invite friends from Ubisoft Connect. You might see PlayStation Network, but assuming that you want to do crossplay and invite your friends who are on Xbox, just choose Ubisoft Connect instead. This social tab will appear, and you will be able to see all of your friends from here. All that you have to do now is choose any of them, and as long as they are online inside of Rainbow Six Siege, you will be able to invite them directly. If you are not able to see them, or if even after inviting they aren't able to join, I recommend that you remove them from the friends list and try adding them again. You can either resend the friend request yourself, or they can send it to you, whatever you prefer. Once you re-add them, you should be able to get this to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay on Rainbow Six Siege PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.